Ẹ̀yin tèmi, gbogbo wa pátápátá ni mo kí. This is the second version of the history of ODÚDÚWÀ. Báwo ni second version? Báwo ló ṣe lọ? Eléyìí náà ó mà ní ṣe pẹ̀lú Mecca. They said Namurusu tó jẹ́ Limrod bàbá ODÚDÚWà, wọ́n ní ó kú sí Mecca. Ipe ogun tóun àti Ànábì Ibrahim jọjà pé ó kú síbẹ̀. Wípé ODÚDÚWà tó wá jí ọmọ rẹ̀, ó wá gbé òrìṣà ẹyọ kan ṣoṣo tó kù, ó wá gbé wá sílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Wọ́n ní ṣùgbọ́n o, kó tó dé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, àwọn èèyàn ti ń ṣẹ̀mí nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Wọ́n láwọn èèyàn ti ń ṣẹ̀mí. Wọ́n ní ṣùgbọ́n ìgbà tó dé sílẹ̀ Yorùbá, ipe wọ́n ti sọ fún wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ pé wọ́n á gba àlejò àjèjì. Ipe nítorí ẹ̀ wọ́n wá gba ODÚDÚWà gẹ́gẹ́ bí àlejò wọn, and he became the king. Wọ́n ti sọ fún wọn pé àlejò tán bá máa gbà yìí, òun ni ó jẹ́ olórí wọn. Nọ́n bá gbà, nọ́n bá fi jọba. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ̀gbọ́n ṣé Yorùbá ò létò ni? Ṣé wọn ní ìdílé tó ń jọba ni? Kí ló dé tó jẹ́ àjèjì? Ṣé Yorùbá fíìmù là ń wò ni? Wọ́n ní ó jọba o. Pé nígbà tó wá jọba, èmi tiẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ béèrè pé ẹdún náà, báwo wá ni wọ́n ṣe wá ń gbọ́ èdè ara wọn? They said ibẹ̀ ni òǹgbufọ̀ ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ṣé ODÚDÚWà mú òǹgbufọ̀ rẹ̀ dání láti Mecca ni? Àbí like issue yẹn ó yí wọlé ọpọlọ bí? I don't get it. And they still said ìgbà tó ODÚDÚWà ń bọ̀, ó gbé adé dání, ó dé adé sórí, ó sì mú ọ̀pá àṣẹ dání, ó ní ẹdìyẹ òkòkò. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ help me. Ìlú wo ni wọ́n tún ti ń dé adé ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ yàtọ̀ sí Áfíríkà, yàtọ̀ sí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá? Ibo ni wọ́n tún ti ń dé adé ìlẹ̀kẹ̀? Adé ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ tí kò kí ń ṣe adé irin, tí ì ṣe adé agolo, adé ìlẹ̀kẹ̀. Because I don't get it. All this history are false history. It's not true. It's not true. I can bet it with you. History yìí ó jẹ jáde látàrí pé when Islamic religion tó ń gbalẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, and we all now see one written history, which is the history of Adam and Eve, and we all wanted to believe that we came from Adam and Eve. But believe me sincerely, every continent has their own different history. Gbogbo ìran ìpìlẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní ìtàn tó yàtọ̀. And their DNA do not come from any other tribe. Like they have ghost DNA, not only the Yoruba land. So there is no way we all can come from Adam and Eve. And the history of ODÚDÚWà coming with a single idol is false. The history of ODÚDÚWà meeting people in Ile-Ife and he become the king is a false story. Somebody said when ODÚDÚWà came, he met the Tapa people. But let me burst your brain. The Tapa people are from the Yorubas. Forget about the name Yoruba starting from Oyo vein, like the name belongs to Oyo, but we are called Yoruba today, the Tapa people are from us. Go and do the DNA. Go and make the research. Go and make research on the history. So there is nothing like Adandawa. You are saying double pronunciation of the Tapa is Adandawa. That is a lie. It's not true. ODÚDÚWà has many in Yoruba land. is a name from Ifa lineage. Odu is Odu-Ifa. ODÀDUWÀ has many in Yoruba land. Kò kí ń ṣe èdè Tapa. And this is another version of the history from the Benin people. Benin people just sit down one day and think, oh, let's do this in another video. Not here. Let's make one video for it so that we are not going to combine it together. This is the second version of ODUDUWA history. This is the second version.